Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Noxzema Medicated Shaving Cream for extra sensitive skin. Yeah, okay. Now, this really is a nice shaving cream to have. Most shaving creams are kind of just basically just lather that you put on your face and you shave just because you're shaving. That's pretty much it. But the Noxzema one has a special accumulation of chemicals that kind of soothe the face. It kind of has this, it almost feels like a menthol, kind of like a rub that you might put on your skin, but it just kind of feels like that. But when you put it on, you can feel the soothingness of the chemical that goes onto your skin. It really makes your skin soft. And what that does, okay, being a person that's African American like I am, I have sensitive skin. I have a tendency to get razor bumps if I shave with a razor. So most of the time I'll use a hair remover cream. But I tried using this Noxzema for sensitive skin with a razor, and it really helps with the razor bumps, because I think it's because it makes the hair and the skin soft, makes it so it's less abrasive on the skin, the razor. And I mean, the hair comes right off, no problem, but because it soothes the skin the way that it does, it makes it so much easier on the hairs and the skin. So when I used it, I was kind of very surprised. I didn't expect it to work. I mean, I expected to be able to shave with it, but I thought after a couple of days I was going to see some hair bumps start to form, but I didn't. And in that area where the hair that I shaved, it was very soft and smooth. Yeah. Now, you have to, I don't know if you've ever smelled Noxzema before. Now this smells just like Noxzema. I mean, it is Noxzema. I mean, it has the name, but Noxzema is usually a facial cleanser. Now I see that they have a shaver, a shaving cream, but it smells exactly the same. Now, I like the smell of Noxzema. I mean, it's kind of like a minty, peppermint type of menthol mix, I guess. I don't know. I like it, but I'm sure there are people that may say it may smell a little strong. I don't think anybody will say it stinks, but it's a very strong smell. In my opinion, it's a nice smell. I don't mind it at all. It kind of smells good to me. It's one of those things, I don't know if it's an acquired taste, but to me, it smells good. But hey, that's my opinion. Yeah, it works very well, and it comes off like a foam and has this kind of a lid and a spray, and you just put this on, and the lather is very soft, you know, thick enough like it's supposed to be. It works very well, and it soothes the skin. It gets in there really nice. It's really good. It makes the face really soft when you're using it. I am very happy with it. I mean, I can only see as a downside for this to being the smell, if people don't like the smell. Okay, but there's only going to be a few that mind it. I don't mind it. I think it's a fine smell. I guess it's like some people who like gasoline, the smell of gasoline. I don't know. I'm saying it smells like gasoline, but some people I've heard like that too. But yeah, this is good. This is a good buy. It works very well, and it will keep your skin really soft. I like it a lot. It is very economical. It's not very expensive. You can pretty much find it anywhere. I like it. It's a good buy. I'm not the kind of person that has to shave every day. You can use this every day. I mean, you can use it as often as you want. But I pretty much shave like maybe twice a week. It does me well. It does me really good. Okay. Well, that is the Noxzema Medicated Shaving Cream for extra sensitive skin. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.